So I'm going in completely blind to this video. I've not watched this ahead of time. This is on the topic of what to eat pre-workout snacks. I'm very curious to see what he says so I can argue about it.
Hey, Dietitian Derek here. In this video, I'm going to go through a few pre-workout snacks to choose from. So different workouts use different nutrients. Lower intensity relies more on fats, while high intensity utilizes more carbs.
Okay, chances are if you're watching this, I'd never prescribe you high intensity, so it doesn't really matter. It's not necessarily wrong, but nobody should go to the gym doing some low intensity bullshit. And nobody should really be going to the gym to do some really high intensity bullshit because it's just not necessary. Our main goal in going to the gym is to increase strength and muscle. So somewhere in the middle of both of those.
While the body has enough stored fat to get you through a workout, most athletes will benefit from a carb boost prior to hitting the gym or the field.
Yes, because you want to replenish or add glycogen storages to your muscles so you can use that for energy.
So if you have an hour or two to spare, you can fit in a little protein or fat, like a turkey sandwich, trail mix, or PB&J.
PB&J has no protein in it, dumbass. But if you used powdered peanut butter, or you just do a PB&J and a protein shake, that's great. Trail mix is not a good snack. It's really, really high in fat. There's no protein in it. Something like a turkey sandwich is actually really good, Derek, because it has the protein from the turkey. It has the carbs from the bread. There's really a lot of options. Some of my favorite go-tos would be like rice cakes with, you can have flavored rice cakes. You could have peanut butter on the rice cakes. You could put like cream cheese. You could put salmon. Rice cakes are really good because they're like filling and also low calorie, and they're a good carb source. Really, any sandwich with protein in it is really good. Greek yogurt bowls are really good. Smoothies, like protein smoothies, are really good. There's a lot of options, but I would prefer you to save your fats for after the workout because they're much slower digesting, and you need carbs and protein before your workout. Some fats is good, not a lot. What he just suggested is a lot of fat.
However, if you have less than an hour, you want to focus strictly on carbs with a little protein, such as cereal, toast, fruit snacks, granola bar, or even a banana.
All of that's great, but you still want to have some fucking protein because you get the amino acids to provide your energy and building blocks for your muscle. Fruit's great, but like, I don't know, it depends when you're working out, and it all is dependent on your goals, your body, like your time, your schedule. But chances are, you're not working out, or when you work out, you probably have more than an hour before the workout to get food in, right? So, I don't know, it's all dependent.
But remember, everyone tolerates foods differently.
There we go.
And the type of workout will play a big role in that. It's always better to undereat a little before a session and then add quick carbs like a fruit snack or a granola bar during the session.
I do agree with that. I just would not get you to have a fucking food in the middle of the workout. It's pretty stupid. I don't know why he would suggest that, because for a lot of people, you're not going to be able to digest that really well. It's going to upset your stomach. What would be a great substitute for that? I do agree with a quick carb during your session, but you can do that in the form of a carbodextrin or a maltodextrin, basically the carb powders, or just go with Gatorade, Powerade, simple sugars. You're not going to die from that unless you have issues with like insulin sensitivity, but you don't need a full Gatorade. You could do like half a Gatorade, and for most of you, that's fine. And then I do also agree, under-eating is better than overeating for digestive reasons, and so you don't want to feel like a bag of dog shit when you're eating or when you're working out.
If you need a little more energy.